Good afternoon, it's another one of those unboxing videos from me because today I had another interesting delivery. Looks like it's come from halfway across the world. I've got a feeling I know what it is, and if it is, that's going to be really good for the weekend. Lesson number one, don't cut your finger while you're doing a live stream. Ooh. What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh ho ho, it is. It's what I thought it was going to be. I've got not one, but two. Well, I guess I got two arms, but that doesn't make a lot of sense. I've got two of the brand new Honor GS Pro watches. Ooh, and it looks like, yeah, they've given me two. Are they the same color? No, I've got two of the different colors as well. So let's have a look. I know that these probably won't be the retail boxes, so they do look a bit different, but wow, that's really funky, and there's a really good camouflage effect. It's actually, you can feel it. Can you see that on the camera? It's like a 3D texture on it. That's different. That's really cool. With a kind of lenticular, flashy front on it. Swish. All right, let's open this up. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh wow, that is pretty. Okay, so this is the camouflage blue one, camo blue. Oh, that's cool. So, yeah, this is brand new tech. Just got announced at IFA in Berlin last week. So this is gonna be, I think it's £249, but I mean, this has got a 25-day battery life. 25 days! It's 100 workout modes. There's a skiing support on there. You do the full health tracking. I'm gonna have so much fun playing around with this. Wow, that's really nice. That's actually pretty stylish. I'm gonna have to charge this up and give it a go. Let's see what's in the rest of the box. So we've got, yeah, as you'd expect, charger unit, magnetic bit goes on the back, which is a USB-C cable. Awesome, love a USB-C. But ooh, that's cool. So the camouflage one, I like that. That's different. Actually feels quite weighty as well. But I know some hiking friends who do a lot of wilderness walking who would love this. This has got full GPS dual tracking as well. So hopefully you can never get lost, especially where I am up in the Welsh Hills. Something like this would be very, very helpful. Right, oh, I'm so stoked, that's cool. Let's have a look at the other one. So we've got another one, same box design, but this one is... Ooh, so this is the Marl White version. Okay, let's take that out of there. Ooh, swish. Ah, that's amazing. Can't believe I've got two. Ha, that's really cool. So if we put them by each other. Nice. Okay, well I guess it comes down to me to actually charge them up, give them a go, and go and do some activities to see how they hold up. Wish me luck!